Hello everyone. So welcome to another educational video on learning chart pattern technical analysis. So today I'll be using Hikal stock as an example for learning technical analysis. So let's start. So you can see in this weekly chart. So I've opened this weekly time frame chart. So from March 2021, so there is a rapid increase in the price of the Hikal stock from 136, so 145. The stock price reached 700 and 740 levels in just a span of from March to August. So that is around 6 months. Just in 6 months, the stock price from 145 it reached to 740. Since then, the stock has been in downtrend. So you can see the stock price is making lower highs, lower high, lower high, lower high, and lower high, and then lower lows, and lower lows. From June 2022, the stock price stopped making lower lows. So the stock price it stopped making lower lows. You can see this one is not a lower low. The stock price has made a higher high. So from July 2022, the stock stopped making lower lows and lower highs, and it instead first time it made a higher high. So once the stock price reached around 282 mark in March of 2023, the stock has been consolidating for a long time from March 2023 till June 2024. So you can see from March 2023 till June 2024, it's more than an year. So 1 year and 3 months, for the period of 1 year and 3 months, the stock has been consolidating. So here you can see there is a parallel channel. The stock has been moving in the range of 263 and 317. 263 and bouncing within the same parallel channel for 1 year and 3 months. So in the month of June 2024, the stock price broke out of this parallel channel. It went to 375. It came back and it retested this parallel channel, the top of this parallel channel, and it again is moving ahead. So you can say that the stock price has broken out of this consolidation. The stock was consolidating for 1 year and 3 months, and in June, the stock price broke out and it reached 370. It came back to retest the top of this parallel channel, and it again moved ahead. So you can say that the breakout of the price from this parallel channel has sustained. It broke out, retested, and it sustained, and it is moving ahead. So let me draw some horizontal lines to identify various supports and resistance for the price of Hikal stock. Okay, so I have drawn four horizontal lines to identify different resistances and supports. So the first support here is the top of the previous parallel channel that I showed in the video before. So this price level of 316 is going to act as a strong support. Why strong support? Because this was the resistance for 1 year and 3 months, and it tested one time, two time, three time, four time, and fifth time it was successful. The price was successful in breaking this resistance. It broke out, it came back to retest, and it has moved ahead. In the process, it also has broken this resistance at 356. You can see why this is the resistance. You can see this swing low here touching this line. This another swing high touching, another swing high touching this line. So this level of 356 was acting as a resistance, and the price has already broken out. So this is a weekly candle. So there is still one more day remaining tomorrow, and it looks very likely the stock price is going to close above this resistance line. So now this 356 is going to act. What I expect the stock price to do is from 399, the current market price is 399. The stock price may go to 450, and it might come back to retest after reaching 450, or it might go to 400, come back to 356, and then may go to 450. The next price target for Hikal stock is 450. The strong support of 316 can be put as a stop loss if it is being held for a long period of time. For short to medium period of time, the price of 356 can be put as a stop loss. The first target is 450. Okay, so this swing high is going to act as a resistance for the Hikal stock price. So the second stock target, the price target is 490. 500 is going to act as the resistance. So the first price target is 450. Stop loss for medium to short term is 356. The current market price is 399. If the stock is being held for a long period of time, if you believe in this stock, if you believe in the business of this stock, if you are going to hold this for a long period of time, then this 316 price level should act as a stop loss. So the breakout is quite clear. As you can see in the volume, there is an increase, there is a gradual increase in the volume once the price broke out of this consolidation. So there is a gradual increase in the volume as the price has also broken out of this consolidation. So 450 is the first target, and 491 to 500 is the second target. If the stock price is successful in breaking out of the 500 level, it can reach 550, which is the next resistance. So let us not go till there. So let's first look at these two targets, 450 and 500 level. So now I have added RSI and super trend indicator. So let's go to the super trend indicator first. So you can see the super trend indicator is giving a buy signal exactly at the point where the price broke out of the consolidation parallel channel, which I had drawn earlier in the video. So the buy signal is still on, and the indicator super trend indicator shows a support of 287. So RSI right now is at 69. Still a lot of room for it to reach 80, where we usually consider it as overbought. Let me go to the monthly chart and see what is happening. In the monthly chart, you can see that this swing high of 415 is acting as a resistance. Okay, the super trend indicator also says the same price level 415 acting as a resistance. If the monthly candle closes above the price point of 415, then we can say that this monthly time frame resistance of 415 has been broken by Hikal price point, and that would be the signal candle. If next monthly candle also closes above the price point of 415, then it would confirm the uptrend in the monthly time frame as well. So the same price point is where the swing high, the previous swing high in the monthly chart is also there, and the super trend indicator also shows that 415 is a resistance in the monthly chart. And if the monthly candlestick closes above 415, it would signal that the resistance has been broken and it's the beginning of an uptrend. So you can see even in the monthly chart, there is an increase in the volumes month on month. Also, you can see the price is actually going to form a beautiful cup pattern, which I'm thinking should reach the price of 700 over the period of several months. Okay, let's go to the RSI in the monthly time frame. You can see the RSI is also gaining strength, which is currently at 60, which says that the price is having good strength and still lot of room for it to actually reach 80 before what we would consider it as overbought. Okay, so this was the chart pattern analysis for Hikal stock. Thank you for watching.
This video is strictly for educational purpose only. Financial markets are inherently risky and can cause significant financial loss. This video does not suggest or recommend any kind of activity or participation in financial markets. Do not take any position in the financial markets based on this video.